I make brownies in the kitchen. I take a mixing bowl. I add flour in the bowl. I add sugar and cocoa powder. I add eggs in the mixture. I mix all ingredients well. I add melted chocolate. I stir the mixture slowly. I prepare a baking tray. I pour the mixture into the tray. I preheat the oven. I bake the brownies. I check the brownies carefully. I remove them from the oven. I let them cool down. I cut the brownies into pieces. I serve the brownies on a plate. I enjoy sweet homemade brownies.